Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are in my messy kitchen to see if we can color a dress. So I've got a bunch of this Rit dye and I'm going to dye this dress dark green. So this dress is an old wedding gown that was my aunt's. Well, it wasn't hers for her wedding. She bought it at Goodwill for a Bride of Frankenstein outfit. It's a lot of it. Yeah, bloody. And then didn't want it anymore and gave it to me, and I used it in this photo with Michael Hefner. I was like sitting in a coffin. That was actually at the Amityville horror house where they filmed the new one. So today I'm gonna try to do this in my kitchen. Slightly better perspective. So I did not put a lot of water in this yet because I'm going to soak the dress first and scrunch it and then try to fit it in this massive pot. And then we're gonna heat it up because synthetics need to be. Okay. This is a terrible idea. Maybe don't try this at home. Okay, so I have one package of dye already in here. It does fit, but I definitely need more water to cover the dress, so I'm going to add more water and then add another pack. Okay, so I managed to get it to fit. It's filled all the way to the top. I'm going to add another packet. My secondary plan was to like tie half of it up. Ooh. Soaking it all in, and then I'm going to turn the stove on. Oh, yeah. Show you my current state of affairs. There's that with 2 packs in it. Probably just going to add the last one because yellow. I'm still very much on the fence on if this was a good or a bad idea. That's my whiny dog. Whiny dog, messy kitchen, bad ideas. Go. Alright, I let it boil for about 2+ hours, flipping it with a pair of tongs as much as I could. And I've let it cool off a little bit. Now I'm going to take it outside and hang it up. So I've got it all hung up now, and it definitely took really well to the lace. Not as well to the synthetic, which is fine. My color was still quite hot, so I pulled it out very carefully with gloves and kind of let it cool a little bit before I was able to actually pick it up and hang it up. I'm actually going to leave a big pot of color out here to dry up just a little bit more before I take it inside. It's still quite a bit warmer than I thought it would be.